I just want to make a quick unboxing video on the standard remote start. So this will be your regular lock, unlock, remote start. It's also got a trunk release feature. Most newer cars, you're going to need a bypass, which I'll be doing a video on how to select the right bypass and how to program it. But I want you to know what you can expect when you get one of these after you've ordered it. This particular model is Avital, which is made by DEI, who makes common known Viper, Python alarms and remote starts. This is the Avital model 4105, 4105L. And this will be standard on pretty much anything that any remote start that you might buy. It'll come with some stickers. The quick reference installation manual. This does not go in depth on the wiring. It does give you basic information as to where the wires go, but how to test for them, things like that. You're not going to get that information here. Comes with an owner's manual. Also a warning sticker that goes near your battery. This is the main ignition harness right here. In another video I'll go into greater detail as to what each wire does. This is a hood pin switch, and again I'll go into detail on that. I'm really just making this an unboxing video. This is a valet switch that will be used for programming. This is the antenna cable that goes from the main brain to the antenna, which mounts to the windshield. And I like to put this as close to the center and as high as possible to get the widest range possible. This will be the secondary main harness that plugs into the brain. And this will have things such as your trunk release, parking light wire, things of that nature. And then you have another smaller harness. You can see the end. It's a little bit smaller main connector. This is going to have your shutdown switches, your hood pin, brake, and neutral safety switch, or parking brake switch. And here's a 2-pin connector for your lock and unlock. And on this particular vehicle, or on this particular remote start, this is a negative output only. So if you have a positive trigger door lock system, you'll need to wire in relays. Most newer vehicles though, you're going to need a bypass, and the bypass will take care of doing all of the lock, unlock, tack features, parking brakes, and then you have your main brain. Comes with 2 remotes. Here's the contents all spread out. This is your main ignition harness, and then you have secondary harnesses. This one will have things such as ground, parking lights, trunk release, and then this one is going to be for brake shutdown, hood shutdown, parking brake shutdown, and then you've got your antenna, the antenna cable, and I'd have to look at the manual on this one. I think there's one that's a ground while running. I'll go over more in depth on another video on how to make these connections.